In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an email alias on Outlook. An email alias is a second address that points to the same mailbox. It's great for separating newsletters, sign-ups, or different roles without creating a new account. Let's walk through the setup clearly and calmly so you can start using it right away. First, open the Outlook app on your device and sign in. In the top right, select the gear icon to open Settings, then choose View All Outlook Settings. In the Settings panel, go to Mail, then Sync Email. Here, look for the option to manage aliases or choose a primary alias, and select Manage. This action typically opens your default web browser and takes you to Microsoft's Manage How You Sign Into Microsoft page. If you're prompted to sign in again, go ahead and do that to continue. On the Account page, find the section labeled Account Aliases or Add an Alias, and select Add Email. You'll see two choices. You can create a new Outlook.com address, which gives you a fresh alias under Outlook's domain, or you can link an existing non-Microsoft email address if you prefer to use one you already own. Enter the alias you want, making sure it only uses letters, numbers, dots, underscores, or hyphens. When you're happy with it, select Add Alias. If Microsoft asks you to verify, complete the quick verification using the method offered, such as a code sent to your email or phone. This helps confirm that you own the address. Your new alias becomes active immediately for receiving email, and messages sent to it will arrive in the same inbox as your main account. If you want this alias to be the primary address on your account, find it in the aliases list and select Make Primary. That changes the main sign-in and display address associated with the account. This step is optional, so only use it if you want that alias to take the lead. When you compose a new email in Outlook, you can choose which address to send from. In the Compose window, open the From menu and pick your new alias so recipients see that address as the sender. You can switch between your main address and your alias anytime, depending on the situation. That's it. Thanks for watching.